So in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to do a Cork 7. It's gonna be pretty quick, and I'm gonna try and teach you the basics of how to do one. So the first thing you will need to do is start with a back pullover. After that, stand like this and do a 180 onto your back while throwing your arm to the side. Now you have like a 180 to your back. Now you want to try and get the 360. So now instead of standing like this, stand over here. First do a regular 360 to check that you can do one. So yeet. And then do one to your back. An important thing about this is you don't just want to jump backwards and do the 360, but you want to jump a little bit over your shoulder. You can see it right here. Now drill that a lot, and after a while you should be able to just push harder and try go through with it and land on your knees. And you should be able to see the ground almost the entire time, because you're coming around over here, watching the ground, go over here. Here is where you would usually land on your back, but instead you keep going and land over there. After this, just take a lot more power into your jump. Try spot the landing and put your feet down. Now that's about it for doing a basic Cork 7. If you want to get it more inverted, then you want to throw more over your head, over here, if you want to make it into kind of a full. And if you want to make it almost like a vert spin, just throw more to your side and don't lean back as much. Okay, now that's that for this tutorial. If you would like to learn how to spin a little bit quicker and maybe do Cork 1080 or Cork 14, then check out how to spin faster in the description. I'll see you in the next one. Leave a comment if you like this or what trick you want in the future, and Guten Tiger.